Hey guys, so today's another pen tapping video, and just hope you guys enjoy it. So in case you missed the last video, if you go to the number 110, like 1 minute and 10 seconds, there's a beat that matches exactly to the Fortnite dance moves, the hype and the floss, or hype also known as shoot. So it basically sounds like this in the last video. So you can go check that out, and maybe you can even dance to your own Fortnite dance moves with that same beat. So this is my new beat. Hey guys, so that was my pen tapping video. Thanks for watching. Comment down below on how you thought about the beat. Make sure to like, share, subscribe. Always turn on those post notifications and stay tuned for more pen tapping.